Oh no, it looks like I murdered the Flintstones and all their Fruity Pebbles came out. Time to clean it up with the vacuum. No one really does cleaning tests nowadays. That's something I've kind of noticed about the vacuum videos on YouTube. Now it's more about like restoring vacuums, fixing them, which, I mean, that's cool. I actually like those videos a lot, so no disrespect on my part. Obviously you can see that this isn't a super even distribution. This is just, this is for fun. It's not like a video of some stuff being picked up as in. It's just like some super accurate judge of the vacuum performance. Alright, and we're running this one on the max speed with the brushes down. So this is not all snow plowed because of the absurd amount of dust or debris I was picking up. Obviously, you wouldn't be seeing this in real life, or, I mean, if you had one of these, you'd probably just be using you take this thing off, the floor nozzle off, and use a hose. Not hose, but the little tube at the end. So, I think that thing's going to be letting a lot of, whatever we call it out, Fruity Pebbles out. Old school vacuum. Let's see how the Sibo handles things. And I have this one set up with, I'll just mark that one. I have this one set up with the front bristles of the parquet tool removed because I saw it in a YouTube video, looked like a good idea. Let's fire this thing up. Well, even with the MSM motor, that Sibo performed excellently. Very good job. I like this vacuum. Alright. Oh man. So the Lindhaus bag is already pretty full, so let's hope I don't overfill this poor thing. Alright, so the Sibo did the best out of all of those vacuums. I'll pull it over here. And this is obviously a super unrealistic test. I think all these vacuums would perform fine if you were just, cleaning a normal kind of mess. But the air path of this is super well suited to large debris. I think the Lindhaus also did pretty good. Better than the Miele at least, although I did kind of have to wiggle Lindhaus. Uh-oh, stuff got left behind. Yeah, I am kind of cord wrapped around, all weird. I think the Lindhaus and the Sibo do steer the best. Let's see. Sibo seems a little easier, but I mean, the Lindhaus does have the pretty big convenience aspect of, you know, being able to stand up on its own, which Sibo does not do. It'd be good if they put that in their next revision of this nozzle. A little bit of stuff left over here too. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed watching that. And if y'all would like me to make any like kind of longer videos of these vacuums, let me know. Like something more organized, not just a like 2-hour stream of consciousness while I like push vacuums back and forth. I'd be, you know, just let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day.